Just greeting to everyone on the Asab Training channel. I am Asab, your YouTube mentor for binary option trading, and so as always we are here together to make a big pile of money for our families. And for that you'll need to watch today's very basic and simple trading strategy. With this strategy you'll be able to trade not only with me but also on your own, even if you're a beginner and don't understand anything about trading. It's okay. It will be okay. I'm connected with people from all over the world, from every corner of this planet. We are constantly evolving, trading, and building a community. Thanks to you and your victories, I want to continue doing this and reaching new heights. The number of participants in my private chat is growing every time, and we are doing everything to make it comfortable for you to trade on signals and make money. Quick withdrawal of funds in just a few days and higher profits makes binary options specifically pocket option on one of the best means of online earning in the world. All you need is your phone or computer and an internet connection. That's it all. And lastly, what you need to do is subscribe to my Telegram channel, link in the description, leave a comment and like this video. It's very important to me. So let's get started. So first let's set up all the setting like mine, which means today we'll have a 30-second time frame, and of course like 30 seconds, I think it will be okay. And of course indicators will help us as almost always. Without them, market analysis is particularly impossible. They help us to stay alert. We will be using the rate of change indicators, the super trend indicator, and of course the demarker, which we all set all the settings exactly like mine, guys. Okay, it's period, 8-year period, 14, this like okay. Now for us we have currency pair, Euro GBP currency pair, and there is a very juicy movement here, so I'll enter a downward position and then I'll explain everything in more detail. So. And what we have first, we'll look at the rate of change indicator, specifically at which direction its yellow line curve is facing. In our case, if the movement is downward, it corresponds to the beginning of a bearish trend. If the line of this indicator is facing upwards, it's the beginning of a bullish trend. It's all brilliant and simple. The indicator cannot allow everything and cannot show anything unnecessary. Next we go to the demarker indicator for confirmation of our assumption. It has two resistance and support lines as well as a third curve line with which we determine our assumption. If the curve line intersects any of the support or resistance line or both simultaneously and is directed upwards, it is a signal to enter a bearish trend. Conversely, if the curve line intersects either the support line, the resistance line, or both and is directed downwards, it's a signal to enter a bullish trend. In our case, both indicators are pointing to the lower range almost perfectly and synchronously. But everything can change. We'll also look at our extreme indicator, the super trend, which expresses the global price trend. Here is the picture. It's a native indicator with which we make the fine decision to enter downward or upward trade. You should rely on the global trend. If the red line is predominate, it's a signal to enter a bearish trend. If the green line is predominate, it's a bullish trend. And then you should enter an upward trade. In our case, the global trend is clearly bullish if you look at our red line. So I believe we have correctly identified our entry point and the trend direction. So all that left for us is to wait for the profit, guys. And so what we can see, we see that the price is not our side, but it is doesn't matter, guys. It doesn't matter because we very exactly and definitely choose the right way, I think, and right movement, guys. And so we just watch for these lines and watch for these motion prices, and it will be okay. Just wait for our profit, guys. Today in Bali was very difficult days, and everything fall on rain, and it's very irritated me. So I cannot normally trade, guys, because it is rain. It is very not comfortable for me. I'm from south, and it's very tired of me, and I'm very tired. And so I just will trade because I promise you make a video every day, guys, and every day I make this video. And what we can watch that the price and falling down, and this is very perfect, guys. I told you that it will be our profit. And so 40 seconds, we can watch that the rate of change show us a downward trend as the marker shows us a downtrend in intersection two lines, support and resistance, and will go into downward trend. So, and super trend show us a downward trend direction, and it will be okay. Three indicators show us downward trend. It is perfect, guys. So I assure you that this position will be in our pocket. And so we're just waiting for 5 seconds, 4 seconds, 3 seconds. Sheesh. Okay, it's perfect, guys. Profit obtained. The wonderful, my friends. Therefore, the trading strategy clearer presents something. Let's move on and find even more conventional situation. And so we'll just watch. So before us we have the New Zealand dollar US dollar pair, and here again there is a very cool movement. The global trend is clearly bigger, therefore I'll enter a downward position and let's discuss everything in more detail. Okay. The picture looks like the same picture, but it is not ordinary. So first we look at the super trend, and the trend is clearly bearish, so it's safe to look at the indicators. So the market shows movement to the lower range. It crosses the resistance line and moving even lower, indicating a downward direction, which is good. The rate of change shows fluctuating movement from side to side, but within 5 minutes. The trend will clearly be bearish, so I'm inclined to think that we are correctly identified the downward movement. So all we have to do now is wait. If you're a beginner, you can work with me absolutely free of charge. Subscribe to my Telegram channel, link in the description, where I trade every day, and you can follow me step by step and get a good profit. Write to me privately, teach me, and I will share with you all useful information. Spots are limited, and come join us, guys. And so what we can see, we see there's a price on our side, and what we can see and talk about rate of change. It's we're a little bit jumping side to side, but it's correct. If we watch to the demarker indicator, it's the demarker indicator, we can watch that this was intersection and resistance line. It will be in downward direction. It will be going to downward direction. And so, in rate of chat, I'm assure you that this will be downward direction too. And super trend is always shows us a downward direction. It will be bearish trend. It's definitely, I say you, yes. 5 minutes time expiration. Not forget about this, and it's okay. It's very okay. So we're just waiting for our profit, guys. Okay, I like this. I like motion like this. It's just direction on our side. It's just perfect, guys. It's just perfect. I like this. And so what we can watch, and we'll watch that the power of green candle is increasing, but it is doesn't matter because we rightly definitely take our position, enter in our position, and it will be in our pocket, I assure you guys. And so we're just waiting and waiting, but it is not crazy, guys. It's very basic motion, very not crazy motion. I think it's just very silent, very still. And so we just can watch the 3 indicators on our side, and they gave our signals perfectly, and it will be okay. It will be very correctly. So we're just waiting for this perfect, guys. It's very cool. It's our side, guys. Yes. I think second trade will be in our pocket, guys. Definitely, yes. And it's been that the trading strategy working perfect, and I'm very glad for watch this. Oh my god, yes, we kept this profit. So it's very cool. It's very cool. Profit is definitely obtained. Wonderful. I feel like today's training will be glorious, guys. And we just let's move on and let's find even more favorable situation. And correct amount of deal. So just let's move on to what we can watch at USDBT. So it's not interesting motion, guys. Not interesting, yes. Very dangerous. I talked about this. And move on. Let's go. What is it? Euro CAD. It's interesting. So for us, we have the Euro CAD currency pair. We're entering an upward position, and let me explain everything step by step, guys, as always, guys. And so first we'll look at the rate of change indicator. Its line is clearly pointing upward, indicating a bullish sentiment is price. It is evident that the trend will be bullish, but this may not be obvious to everyone, and as an experienced trader, I can confidently say that the trend will be bullish here. So the marker is lying on the line and is touching its resistance line very gently, and it's clearly directed upwards, indicating our change in trend to bullish. The chart is coming out of a small consolidation together range, and in the next 5-8 minutes I think there will be such trends. The super trend doesn't work here because it cannot determine which way the consolidation will move more. So all we have to do here is wait for the profit, guys. So we just look at our picture and just waiting our profit. We can see that the price is not our side, but doesn't matter. Doesn't matter, guys, because I'm assure you that I'm just definitely will go into right position and it will be upward trend. 100%, guys. 1000%, guys, it will be upward trend, and we just will watching for this picture. So okay, what we can see, two indicators rate of change, and the market shows us that the price will going upward, and so the market intersect two lines, resistance line intersection, and I think it will be in the support line, guys. And okay, and the rate of change show us the upward motion. It's very good, and it's very good. Again and again and again, guys. So we're just waiting. Okay, we can watch the price and near around our side, our line, and so it will be, I think it will be pump, guys. Yes, it's upward pump, it's long pump, guys. It's oh shit, oh no, it's very good, guys, very good. Price just increase, guys, just increase. I'm just cannot believe. Oh, it's joke, guys. Of course I believe, because I predict this position, and so it's very good, guys. You just look at this, this price movement, guys. It's just crazy, guys. It's just crazy. 1 minute ago it was in downward position, but through 30-40 seconds it's an upward trend, and so it's this price will increase and increase, and just look at this, all what I told you, guys, all what I told you, what this price increasing, and yes, it's very not fast motion, but it's slowly going to upward trend, and it is very delightful, guys, because I'm glad for us. Third trade, and this time third trade, guys, and what we can see that I'm entered three deal for by $200. It is crazy, guys, I think, but it's okay. For me it's okay. For somehow it will be crazy, I don't know, but for me it's okay, guys. And we're just waiting for this profit, guys. Just waiting for this profit. Oh my eyes, where the tag, guys. Woo! We take our profit up 10, well done, friend. I would say that's fantastic. The trading strategy clearly works almost like clockwork. Just as I told you, let's move on and find out more convincing situation, and we just change our amount for deal, and let's move on, guys. And in front of us, GPI during currency parallel enter downward position, and explain everything in more detail, guys. So clear picture, guys. Here I first noticed the trend, it's will be bearish and indicated by the super trend indicator, so that's okay. Next, I look on the dim marker. It has long signs crossed the resistance line and its line is moving in the lower range, indicating that the trend here will also be bearish. This is a signal to enter a downward trade. Definitely, if you look at the rate of change indicator lines, it's ambiguous in this case, showing a reversal. But I understand that this is just fiction and the trend will remain strictly bearish. That's what we will be observed in the end. All that's left is to wait for the result of our trade and what we can see, guys. What we can see, we see that the price is not our side, yes, and the indicator rate of change shows us an upward motion, but it is not true, guys. Not true. I have experience and I told you that it will be reversal, guys. Yes, it will be reversal. It's difficult position, difficult situation on the market, and situation like this only can make guys like me, guys with big experiences, a lot of experience for trade like this. And so I predict you that the price will go on the downward trend, because first the marker lying around, I don't know, 15 minutes around resistance line, and it will be intersect this. And so it signals for me personally that the price will go into downward position through, I don't know, 2 minutes, I think. And during 5 to 8 minutes it will be downward trend. And what we can see, we see that the market change direction and rate of change trend just change direction, and it will be a downward direction, guys. Yes, it's okay, it's very very good, and it's very very cool, guys. So I love this, but the price not our side again. And what we can watch, guys, and so price falling down, and so it's very very cool. I think it will be in our pocket through 2-3 minutes, I think it. Just trust me, guys, I have experience. I'm very experienced trader. I trade on 5 and 7 years on trading platforms like futures platforms, it's spot platforms, a binary option platform. It's very very, I have very very large experience, and it is very very good for you, the first, and the second for me, of course. And so what we can watch, we watch that the price falling down. Let's go to 1 minute, so 20 seconds. It's good, guys, it's very very good, guys. So it's exactly perfect, guys. And so I told you that not nervous, guys, just calming, guys, just calm and just save your cold head when you trade, and just not forget for risk management and money management. It is very important, guys. I'm just assure you for this, guys. And what we can see, we see that the price on our side, still on our side. It's very perfect, guys, and price fall and forward, so direction and downward. So it's very very cool and very quick. I don't know what I say, but it is very good, all very good, guys. So I make 3 deals, yes, 3 deals for by $500, and it will be big results, guys, big profit, and we just watch for this. Oh, come on, $2,000 on my account, it's very good. So profit of 10, that's wonderful. Let's just change amount and Let's move on to find an even more convincing situation, guys. And so what we can see. And now before us we have the American Dirham US dollar pair. I'll enter a downward trade and let me explain everything step by step, guys. So if you look at the market indicator, it shows us an absolute trend reversal crossing the support line and moving downward. It shows us that the trend here will clearly be bearish. After this, its movement almost mirrors the rate of change indicator, whose line is also clearly pointing downward. And dear friends, this clearly indicates a trend reversal and a shift to a bearish trend. Everything worked almost perfectly. And also, if you look at the super trend here too, the global trend clearly indicates a bearish movement, which means that we have correctly identified our entry point, and all that's left for us is to wait, guys. It's just to wait, guys. So price on our side, guys. It is unbelievable and it is very, very cool. I like this motion and I like this direction, guys. Oh, price just fallen down, guys. It's very, very cool. Very, very good motion, guys. We definitely change our direction right. So what we can see, we see that the marker indicator intersect two lines, resistance and support lines that just fallen down, like a rate of change indicator just fallen down. And so they shows us a downward direction and it will be correct direction. We choose the right position, guys, and the right entry point, guys. So we're just waiting for our profit. I'm so tight today on Bali. I think around 9 p.m. and I just look for my wrist and not look my watch. So okay, I'm just tired, guys. I'm just tired. Every day I trade on pocket option, and I'm very tired, and I'm just right now I'm going through training with boxing, and it's maybe will give me more energy, but right now I'm very tired, guys. It's very tired. And when you're working with money, you're tired everywhere. So guys, we look this and super trend shows us a local trend is bearish. I can see this. So the finish is near, guys, and this 5 straight training strategy working perfect, just perfect, guys. And price just falling down. I love this, guys. I love this training strategy. It's very basic training strategy. If you wanna just use this strategy, the first you just look at my signals, and afterwards, if you will be ready, you just can use this training strategy and make big money, guys. Yes, even a beginner can use this strategy, guys. So and we right now waiting for our profit. It's okay. 2 minutes, so it's very long, but just wait. Just wait for this. Oh no, yes. Tell me about tell me about this. And so, guys, price in no direction. I know the satisfaction. I know you can reaction. Repreparation. Woo! We just had this moment around my account $4,000. It's crazy. Profitability is just amazing, friend. This trading is plus. I love it. Let's find the final trade to today for definitely confirm the accuracy of our strategy. Moving on. Before us, we have the USD dollar Indonesian rupiah pair. The global trend is again bearish, so I'll enter a downward trade and explain everything in more detail. Trade for $1,000, guys. It's crazy. You just told it's crazy. I told you yes, it's crazy, but we just play in trading. No, we just making money, guys. So, looking again at the marker indicator, there is an intersection of two lines of support and resistance, a clear signal for entering a downward position. Therefore, this indicator already tells us that the trend will be bearish. Next, we look at the rate of change, and it's incredible, guys. It shows symmetrical picture with the marker, and its line is also pointing downward, indicating a trend reversal. This is just amazing, as we have currently identified for our entry point, and of course, if we look at the super trend indicator, it also shows a bearish trend, which means that all three indicators will work perfectly together, confirming that our trading strategy is working brilliantly. So now, all that's left is to wait for the profit, but I'm confident that we will take this trade as well. This will be 6 trade, guys. 6 trade, and just watch this. Just watch these, guys. Look at these, guys. Price little bit jumping, but it doesn't matter. I assure you, and just assure you that the price will be on our side, guys. And so we're just waiting for our profit, guys. Around 3 minutes, yes, and you just catch this motion. Two indicators shows us upward trend, but it is false, guys. It is very false, because on my experience, I'm just opposite on my experience, and I can say about this that will be reversal, guys, and we can watch this reversal. Yeah, the global trend is bearish, guys. It's consolidation zone, but it will be in our side and our direction. Yes, guys, just waiting, just calming, guys. So wait. And what we can see, the price falling down. Yeah. Let's go. Come on, baby. Come on. So, come on. Okay. I'm just wait. The last trade, I'm very tight, guys. You can hear my voice and watch on my face. I'm very tight. I'm very tight. I'm trade every day, and I trade for 6, 7, maybe 9 hours, and it's very difficult, guys. Very difficult analyzing graphic and predict this direction and motion and position, and what we can watch. Woo! Price on our side, guys. It's very cool. It's very good, guys, for us, and I told you. And by 6 trade, I'm earn, I think, big money, guys. It's very good. Today I spent this money on nightclub, I think, and tomorrow I will going to Island Gili. In Bali in Bali will be New Year, like Silence Day. Silence Day, you cannot open door your home, you cannot walk to home, delivery not working, and you must prepare your food for yourself. And I'm just will going to Island Gili. Rules doesn't work on this island, and because I'm today every time I'm traded, and so it's it was very not easy works, guys. And we can see that the 3 2 1 gang, just gang. Look at this, guys, so wonderful. Just think, at the beginning of the training session I had only $199, and I was able to increase my deposit to $6,661 in just 6 trades. It is insane, guys. If you are tired of financial literacy, long working hours, and minimum wage, it's time to send all that way and start earning with me. If you're watching this video, it means you're already on the right path. Don't forget to subscribe to my Telegram channel, link in the description. And until the next time, profit to everyone, hugs to all, until in crutches.